Hello friends, how are you all? In this video, we are going to discuss a very important section of new Bhartiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, which is previously known as CRPC. So as you all know and as I practiced before the Hon'ble High Court, there is a very important section which is commonly used by all of us. Previously that section is known as section 482 of Criminal Procedure Code. But now in the new law of 2023, which is I just told known as Bhartiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, section 482 now has taken place of section 528, and it is verbatim similar, which says the inherent power of an high court. So in this video, not taking too long, I will discuss that what is going to be essential pleadings while we are drafting a petition under section 528 of Bhartiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita. And as I just told you, this section has not been changed. It has been only the numerical number has been changed, 528. So two very important things which needs to be seen while drafting a petition and while praying the inherent jurisdiction of the Hon'ble High Court. So first let me read this section, and thereafter I'll assist all of you that what needs to be pleaded by all of you. Now the section starts by saying, saving of the inherent power of the High Court. Nothing in this Sanhita shall be deemed to limit or affect the inherent power of High Court to make such orders as may be necessary to give effect to any order under this Sanhita, or to prevent abuse of process of any court, or otherwise to secure end of justice. Now there are basically two very important elements. While drafting a petition under article 528, you have to make it in black and white that in what manner abuse of process is committed. Now let me take an example. If you are challenging an order, so to say, commonly we challenge the summoning order passed by the learned trial court. So if you say the abuse of process committed by trial court is that if that order is passed beyond jurisdiction, or it is manifestly illegal, unjust, so then in that case, that exercise done by trial court amount to abuse of process. So anything arbitrary committed, anything unjust committed by a court below, that can be looked in section 528, which says of inherent jurisdiction of the High Court. So you have to specifically plead that how and in what manner the court below has committed abuse of process, and that may vary from case to case. The second thing in which the section 528 can be approached, or anyone can petition the High Court by opting, is the cases in which an act negates justice. That is why it says abuse of process of any court or otherwise to secure end of justice. But very rarely we see that these kind of cases in which court normally, as far as my little experience of law is concerned, normally courts say that what is illegality committed by the trial court below, which comes within the abuse of process. But since it is an inherent jurisdiction means it has a jurisdiction which is extraordinary. It has a power if some glaring injustice is committed by a trial court, or anything glaring injustice is committed with regard to the operation of a criminal laws are concerned. And I mean criminal laws means the law, all the laws in which Bhartiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita has a mandatory procedure. So in that cases, Hon'ble High Court will intervene on the basis of to achieve the secure of justice. But those cases come very rarely. So whenever the petition of 528 is being drafted, one thing which needs to be disclosed in black and white is that how abuse of process is committed, and second, whether if the inherent jurisdiction of the Hon'ble High Court is invoked, it will result into achieving the ends of justice. And that may vary from case to case. So if these two specific pleadings are there, so it will always become easy for an advocate and for an honorable judge to rule in the matter. So well friend, this much is in this video. Thank you very much all of you.